Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you discuss the question paper once more, sir? Because of network issue, I can't check my paper.
अरे बेटा रिकॉर्डिंग देख लेना बेटा तुम। मैं पूरा पेपर डिस्कस करूंगा तो फिर पूरा पीरियड निकल जाएगा। See the recording of the class. Okay. I will share the video after some time. You can see the recording. Okay.
सर आपने वर्कशीट को इतना छोटा क्यों कर दिया?
अच्छा हाँ वर्कशीट को इतना छोटा।
सर आप 5th सी वालों के साथ पबजी कर रहे थे वहां पे।
यस सर, पबजी सब्जी।
हाँ वही कर रहे थे।
सुन लिया सब तुमने?
यस
सर हमारे कान बहुत तेज है, हमसे पंगा मत लेना।
यस सर।
बेटा हमसे पंगा भी मत लेना, ये भी है ऐसा भी है। पंगा लेना भी मना है।
Yes, sir.
चलो भाई, so we are now starting a new chapter in this period. Okay, all of you.
ओके सर।
So the chapter that we will start today, I think what we have done till now in the second term, we have done fraction, which was chapter number 8, which we have done chapter number 9, which was decimal. चैप्टर 10 हम लोग पहले ही कर चुके हैं, लास्ट टर्म में राउंडिंग नंबर पहले ही हो चुका है। चैप्टर 11 then chapter 11 also it was there in the first term. Chapter 11 simplification was done in the first term.
Yes, sir. Sir, we have
Yes,
done.
sir.
We have done.
Chapter 12 we have not done. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So why were you
till
playing
second
there?
term,
पबजी उनसे बात चल रही थी पबजी के बच्चों से। समर है एक लड़का, समर 5th C में, वो पबजी बहुत खेलता है। तो उसकी
Sir, I know he was saying, sir. So he was saying I was playing BGMI.
तो वो समर जो है वो पबजी बहुत खेलता है। तो उसको उसकी मम्मी ने कह दिया बेटा खेलो पबजी, नहीं मिलेगी सब्जी, और खेलो पबजी नहीं मिलेगी
Then
सब्जी।
they say, Dev, you are right 100%. Then they say, oh my God.
यस यस यस। तो उसकी मम्मी ने कह दिया और खेलो पबजी, नहीं मिलेगी सब्जी, खाना देने को मना कर दिया। लो बेटा और खेलो पबजी। Okay, so the chapter that we are starting here is percentage.
now we have to do percentage.
Yes, we are starting percentage.
Sir, we have not done rounding numbers also.
हाँ तो परसेंटेज कर रहे हैं। राउंडिंग नंबर्स हमने फर्स्ट टर्म में किया था बेटा।
Yes, sir, we have done.
We have done rounding numbers in the first term. Now percentage is the chapter that we are starting. Okay. Any other chapter we have done other than this? परसेंटेज की बात कौन सा था? 30 वो हमने नहीं करा है। चैप्टर 14 प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस भी नहीं करा है, ये भी नहीं किया है। एवरेज
सर परसेंटेज के बाद हमने
टाइम टेबल
Sir,
percentage के
can
बाद हमने
also done average and lines and angles. We have done.
profit and loss.
इसके अलावा और कोई क्वेश्चन है? और कोई चैप्टर हमने नहीं किया है।
Sir, we have to write in notebook.
No, Maria.
Yes, beta, I will tell you what to write at my side. Don't worry. अभी मैं बताऊंगा आपको क्या लिखना है क्या नहीं लिखना है, ठीक है? Don't worry. So first of all, percentage जो word है इसका meaning क्या होता है? Let me introduce and I will show you a video for this. Okay. Just wait a minute. I will be showing you a video of percentage. Okay, I am sharing the screen, everyone, for the video. Okay, see the video, everyone. Can you all see this?
Shopping is all
The sound is there.
Yes.
आवाज आ रही है आपको वीडियो की?
No, sir.
always fun, especially
No,
when there
sir.
बेटा वीडियो चलेगी तभी तो आएगी, देखो
is
ना।
a sale everywhere and unbelievable
आ रही है?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
discount. It's fun. Shopping is always fun, especially when there is a sale everywhere and unbelievable discount. Welcome to KID Company with Kabir, Isha and Dhruv. I am Azan and today we are going to learn about meaning of a percent, converting fractions into percentage, converting a percentage into a fraction, converting a decimal into percentage, converting a percentage into a decimal, finding percentages of number, applications of percentages. I heard Isha, Kabir and Dhruv are off to a garage sale. Let's go and check it out.
Isha! Relax, Kabir. She will be here. I don't think you understand, Dhruv, but Miss D'Souza's Diwali garage sale is the best garage sale ever. There is so much that I'm looking forward to. If I miss out on the things which I want, I'm never ever talking to Isha again. Calm down, Tiger. It's okay. See, she's here. Come, let us leave. Of course, we were about to leave anyway, with or without you. Can you not be on time for once, Isha? Once? What is that red board over there? That sign after 40? What does it mean? And why is there no price tag? Oh, the price tag is here. Kabir, this is not the final price of the bat. There is a 40% discount on this price.
40% discount? Sounds good.
Do you know what that means?
No. What is that?
Well, Dhruv, even I don't. Every year, Miss D'Souza just puts price on tags on the items and we just buy them by paying the amount written. So can you explain what this symbol means?
The symbol here is called percent. The word percent can be divided into two parts, per and cent. Per stands for every and cent stands for century or 100. Hence, percent means per 100 or for every 100. Let us take this grid. It has 100 squares. If we color 15 out of the 100 squares, then we can say that 15% of the squares are colored. In your examinations, if you score 80 in that test out of 100, then it would mean you have scored 80% marks. Do you know that you can also read and convert fractions into percentages?
Really? How?
Here's how. Let us take the same grid of 100 squares and now color 40 squares. Hence, we can say that 40 upon 100 squares are colored. Now, we know that percent means for every 100. Hence, fraction 40 upon 100 is equal to 40%. Thus, we can say that a percentage is a fraction having 100 in the denominator. Similarly, 45 upon 100 can be expressed as 45%. And 56 upon 100 can be expressed as 56%. Look at the cap section there. There are 20 caps in all here. Of these, 6 caps are green in color. Can you find the percentage of green caps in the stack? Let us convert this fraction into percentage. We know that percent is a fraction having 100 in the denominator. However, 6 upon 20 has 20 in the denominator. Hence, we need to write the equivalent fraction of 6 upon 20 with 100 in the denominator. Let us multiply both the numerator and the denominator of 6 upon 20 by 5. We get 30 upon 100. Hence, the equivalent fraction of 6 upon 20 with 100 in the denominator is 30 upon 100, which is 30%. Hence, 6 upon 20 is equal to 30%. Therefore, 30% of the caps are green. We can also convert a fraction directly to percentage by multiplying it with 100. For example, 6 upon 20 into 100 when reduced to its simplest form also give you 30%.
I think I'm going to remember this. It is pretty simple. So tell me, if I want to buy that bat, Dhruv, how much less would I have to pay? How do I calculate the discount?
See, it is very easy. So I have told you about converting fractions into percentage. Now let us do the reverse. And then this calculation will become even easier. To convert a percent into a fraction, we need to divide it by 100. For example, to convert 45% into a fraction, we need to divide 45 by 100. Therefore, 45% is equal to 45 upon 100. Reducing it to the simplest form, we get 9 upon 20. Therefore, 45% is equal to 9 upon 20. Did you know we can even write a decimal as a percent? Now think of a decimal number, any number, say 0.63. 0.63 is equal to 63 upon 100, which is equal to 63%. We can even convert a decimal into percentage by multiplying the decimal by 100. When 0.63 is multiplied by 100, the decimal points shifts 2 places to the right and we get 63. So, to convert decimals to percent, move the decimal point 2 places to the right and write the percent sign next to the answer you get. We can even express the given percentage in the decimal form. To express percentage in the decimal form, divide it by 100 or move the decimal point 2 places to the left of the percentage number and remove the percentage sign. For example, 25% is equal to 25 divided by 100, which is equal to 0.25. Similarly, 40% is equal to 40 divided by 100 is equal to 0.40. And now let us come to your problem and see if you would be able to buy the bat or not. So, how much did you say the price on the tag was?
1,200 rupees.
And how much is the discount?
40%.
Okay, so look. We have with us total price 1,200 rupees. Discount percentage is equal to 40. To find the final price of the bat, we need to calculate 40% of 1,200 first. Step 1. Write the given percent as a fraction. 40% is equal to 40 upon 100. Step 2. Multiply the fraction by the given number. 40 upon 100 into 1,200. Step 3. Simplify it to its lowest form. 40 upon 100 becomes 2 upon 5. 1,200 upon 5 becomes 240, and 2 into 240 is equal to 480. Now, since this is the amount of discount, you need not pay it, understood? So finally you will have to pay 1,200 rupees minus 480 rupees, which is 720 rupees.
Wow! Just that much? I was given a budget of 1,000 rupees, and after buying this bat, I will still have some money left. Yay!
It is a great deal. Listen, Kabir, I think if you have money left, then why don't you buy Isha something too?
Yay! Gift! Why should I buy her a gift? She's always late and she never listens to me.
Okay, fair enough. Then why don't you buy her something that would help her correct this?
So now we know what a garage sale is. Now let's go and see what Kabir is planning to gift Isha to teach her a lesson.
So Kabir, Isha, Dhruv, did you all like the sale this time?
Yes, Miss D'Souza. The discounts are awesome. Such a surprise.
Oh, so you calculated the discounts?
Yes, we did. With a little help.
Wow, Kabir, I did not know that you were so aware of percentage. That is really impressive. Anyways, see if you find anything else. I will see you later.
Bye, Miss D'Souza.
So Kabir, there is more to percentages. Would you like to know?
Yes, please.
The concept of percentage is used very often in our day-to-day life. It is used to compare performances and quantities. Since percent stands for every 100, it makes comparison easier. Say, you scored 30 in math and 45 in science. But your marks in math were out of 50 and those in science were out of 100. Then we cannot compare the marks scored directly using the concept of percentage. You scored 30 out of 50 in math. This can be written in fraction as 30 upon 50. You scored 45 out of 100 in science. This can be written in fraction as 45 upon 100. Let us express 30 upon 50 with denominator as 100. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. We get 60 upon 100, which is equal to 60%. Score in science is equal to 45 upon 100 is equal to 45%. As 60% is greater than 45%, hence we can say you performed better in math. So, you see how percentage helps us in comparing two or more quantities easily?
Hi, Miss D'Souza. We are done shopping.
Hello again, Kabir. So tell me what you have picked.
This? and this.
Very well, Kabir. Your total bill is 950 rupees.
Thank you, Miss D'Souza.
It's my pleasure. Have fun.
Isha,
Yeah?
here, this is for you.
Wow! What is this, Kabir?
Open it and see.
This is for you to understand the importance of time. Please do not keep us waiting from now on. Oh, Kabir, you just wait.
I miss the days when I used to irritate my sister like this. It's so much fun. So today we have learned meaning of percent, converting fractions into percentage.
Okay, so you all have seen the video. Percentage, कुछ idea मिला आपको percentage का?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of
Yes, sir.
percentage? क्या meaning है?
Sir means the sir percentage means the side of that mark.
Finding out the value of a number out of 100. किसी चीज की value out of 100 निकालना.
Yes, sir.
That is
Sir, I
percentage.
have one doubt.
Yes, beta.
Sir, in percentage can we take out the percentage out of 100 or only we cannot get the
Percent, जो
percentage?
meaning है, the word percent is broken in two parts. ये दो चीजों से मिलकर
Two
बनता
parts.
है. एक per
Sir, per means
and cent.
agree and cent means century 100.
So per means out of and cent means 100. ठीक है? So ये इसका मतलब होता है out of 100.
Okay, sir.
Just a minute, beta. हाँ. Yes, beta. So समझ में आ गया percent meaning is out of 100. Okay, so let me give you an example. Suppose there is a test. There was a test. You scored 24 out of 30 marks. Out of 30 चलो अच्छा नंबर नहीं है, थोड़ा अच्छा नंबर दे देते हैं. सपोज आपके 15 मार्क्स आए हैं आउट ऑफ 20. ओके, अब मुझे पता लगाना है कि व्हाट परसेंटेज यू हैव गॉट, व्हाट परसेंटेज ऑफ मार्क्स यू हैव स्कोर्ड. तो यही जो मार्क्स हैं इन्हीं को आउट ऑफ 100 करना है, मतलब डिनोमिनेटर को 20 की जगह 100 बनाना है. कैसे बनाएंगे? Do you know how to make denominator 100 of a fraction? कैसे बना सकते हैं? You multiply this fraction by 5 in the numerator and 5 in the denominator. 5 से क्यों कर रहे हैं? Because अगर 5 से multiply करेंगे the denominator will become 100. Am I right? है ना?
Yes, sir.
तो कितने हो गए? 75. 15 into 5 75 out of 100. तो आपने अभी ये जो ओरिजिनल फ्रैक्शन जो है 15 मार्क्स आपने कितने में से स्कोर करे? 20 में से. 20 मार्क्स का टेस्ट था, आपने 15 मार्क्स स्कोर करे. तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? यू हैव स्कोर्ड 15 आउट ऑफ 20. ऐसे ही बोलते हैं? आपने कभी सुना है टीचर्स को बोलते हुए या पेरेंट्स को बोलते हुए कि आपके मार्क्स यू हैव स्कोर्ड 15 आउट ऑफ 20? सुना है अभी कभी ऐसे बोलते हुए? सुना होगा जरूर.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो ये 15 आउट ऑफ 20 और ये क्या है, दिस इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू 75 आउट ऑफ 100। मैंने क्या करा, बस इस फ्रैक्शन में 5 से न्यूमरेटर में 5 से डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 75 आउट ऑफ 100। 75 आउट ऑफ 100 है ना ये, तो इसको बोलेंगे कितना, 75%, बिकॉज मैंने आउट ऑफ 100 कर लिया ना, अब इसको कर लिया आउट ऑफ 100। ये क्या है, आउट ऑफ 100 ही तो करा है ना, तो व्हाट इज दिस, दिस इज इक्वल टू 75%। आउट ऑफ 100 की जगह परसेंट बोल दिया, ठीक है। समझ में आया परसेंट का मीनिंग क्या होता है, किसी चीज को आउट ऑफ 100 पता लगाना।
Yes, sir.
ओके, वेरी गुड। नाउ परसेंटेज कैन बी डिनोटेड एज, इसको can be converted into a fraction. Even a fraction can be converted into a percentage. Percentage can also be converted in decimal, and decimal को भी वापस percentage में change कर सकते हैं. This is what you have to do in the chapter also. आपको भी अपने चैप्टर में यही पढ़ना है कि कैसे फ्रैक्शन को परसेंटेज में, परसेंटेज को फ्रैक्शन में कैसे लिख सकते हैं एंड ऑल। कैन यू टेल मी द पेज नंबर? Okay, I got it. Okay, so now let's start with exercise 15, sorry, 12.1. Ready, all of you? Are you all ready? The first part, 2/5. We have to write the fraction in percentage. Convert these fractions into equivalent fractions with denominator 100. इनका denominator आपको 100 बनाना है. Okay. कैसे denominator को 100 बना सकते हैं? How will you make the denominator 100 in this case? If you multiply the denominator by 20, 5 को अगर 20 से multiply करेंगे तो 100 बन जाएगा. So numerator में भी 20 से multiply करेंगे. What do we get in the denominator? 5 into 20 is 100 and 2 into 20 is 40. बन गया 40/100. तो if 40/100 can also be written as 40%. वो नहीं लिखना है, बस आपको denominator को 100 करना है. Similarly, start doing the remaining parts of this. ऐसे ही करना है करिए. If you have any doubt, you can ask.